Welcome to my channel, UX Gen AI. If you're a fan of creating cute designs but have zero 3D knowledge, today's video is for you. We'll be making this adorable yellow 3D star in Figma, no need for Maya or After Effects. It's super easy and literally just a few clicks away. Let's get started. First things first, we'll need a Figma plugin called Fig 3D. You can find it in the Figma community by searching for Fig 3D or using this link. www.figma.com/94602080871644950. Once you've installed the plugin, you're ready to go. Alright, start with a blank Figma canvas. Click on Plugins from the top menu and select Fig 3D. This plugin allows us to create 3D elements without needing any complicated software or prior 3D design skills. Once the plugin is open, you'll see a variety of 3D shapes you can choose from. For today, we're focusing on the star. Click on the star shape and voila! Your star appears on the canvas. Now, let's quickly create a cute SVG star icon in Figma. Step 1. Create a star. Select the star tool from the shape menu in Figma. Click and drag on the canvas to draw a star. If you want a more symmetrical look, hold Shift while dragging. Adjust the number of points and radius in the Properties panel to make the star sharper or rounder. Step 2. Make it cute. To make the star softer and cuter, adjust the corner radius in the Properties panel. Increasing the radius will round out the points, giving it a more playful look. If you want an even cuter effect, slightly distort the shape by using the Vector Edit mode, double-click the star, and manually adjusting the anchor points. Step 3. Add eyes. Select the ellipse tool and draw 2 small circles on the star to create eyes. Adjust their size and position for the best expression. For an even cuter effect, add a tiny white reflection inside each eye using a smaller ellipse. Optionally, use the pen tool P to draw a small curved line below the eyes as a smile. Apply Fig 3D to convert the star into 3D. Select the star and all its elements, eyes, smile, etc. Go to Plugins, Fig 3D, and open the plugin. Click Convert to 3D, and Fig 3D will automatically turn your flat design into a 3D object. Adjust the depth, lighting, and rotation to make your cute 3D star look just right. Change the material settings to get a smooth or shiny effect. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've got yourself an adorable yellow 3D star ready to use in any design. If you enjoyed this quick and easy Figma tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to UX Gen AI for more simple design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!